Kels Ventura in the house. Yes, we back. Dog wash. I'm gonna show y'all how to wash 6 dogs. Yes, I'm watching the whole family today.
Hey. Yeah, that's right. That's me right here. Listen up. Subscribe. If you haven't already, subscribe. Stop playing with your boy. Y'all want to see more videos? Subscribe and I got you. Like, follow, all that is good in the hood. IG Kels Ventura. Y'all see what it is? We live with it. Yeah, baby. We live.
Hopefully. You dig? This is where the chaos and the mayhem starts. I'm gonna release the hounds. I'm gonna let them all out. Y'all gonna see what I'm talking about. But let's get it poppin'. Alright, you ready? You ready? No, hey, please, no, no. Back up. Hey. No, bad doggies. Bad doggies. Hey, whoa, cut it out. Cut it out. Cut it out. Hey, no. Back up. Hey, stop it. Stay. No. Hey, no. Hey, back up. Hey, no. Hey. Get down. Hydro, come here. Fast as fuck, boy.
Yeah, figured I'll find you back here. What are you doing? Looking for credits? I don't got none of that. It's all me. You feel me? But check this out. If you really got love for me, like I said before, subscribe. And I'm here to stay. And we're going to the top. You want to see more videos? Inbox me. Talk to me. It's all good in the hood. You dig? Yes, yes.